Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best 7.3 EBPV Delete is probably one of the most sought-after modifications for the legendary 7.3L Powerstroke engine, promising increased performance and potentially improved fuel economy, but is it all sunshine and rainbows? In this video, we will deep dive into the world of 7.3 EBPV Deletes, exploring the benefits, drawbacks, and everything you need to know before taking the plunge. We'll examine different kits, installation processes, and address common concerns to help you make an informed decision. Number 5. SPELAB EBP Valve Upgrade Turbo. This is the ultimate upgrade for your 7.3L Powerstroke engine. It's designed for a direct bolt-on installation, making it easy to improve your turbo performance. It seamlessly integrates with your factory GTP38 turbocharger. Installation is straightforward, thanks to the included accessories. It's compatible with 1994 to 2003 7.3L Powerstroke diesel turbochargers, TP38 GTP38. Please note it's not compatible with the 2002 E350 Super Duty. Experience quicker turbo spool-up and the elimination of compressor surge. It significantly improves exhaust flow for better overall performance. It's constructed from high-quality aluminum alloy and iron, ensuring superior durability and resistance to high temperatures, up to 1,652 degrees Fahrenheit. Everything you need is included for a smooth installation. This includes mounting O-rings and bolts for your convenience. What we like. It boasts a direct bolt-on design for easy installation and premium materials for superior durability. If you need a reliable upgrade that improves turbo response, this is the one for you. This is perfect for those seeking enhanced performance without complex modifications. What people say. Comes with hardware and O-rings. Pedestal bolted on with no issues. Decent quality, used in AT444E GT38R Stage 2 swap. Fit like stock. Eliminating the exhaust back pressure valve stopped a bad oil leak. And I don't notice any difference in warm-up time. Number 4. Garrett 702670 CHRA Service Kit. This kit provides a simple solution for maintaining your turbocharger. It's designed for a direct, easy installation. It's a direct bolt-in replacement, making installation quick and straightforward. No need for complex modifications. This kit uses only genuine Garrett parts, ensuring quality and reliability. You can trust it to perform as expected. It effectively seals the EBV actuator assembly, preventing leaks and maintaining optimal performance. Say goodbye to those annoying leaks. This comprehensive kit contains everything you need for a successful repair. Get your turbo back to peak performance quickly and easily. This kit is designed for easy use, even for those with limited mechanical experience. Follow the simple instructions for a smooth repair. What we like. This kit uses genuine Garrett components, ensuring a perfect fit and reliable performance. If you're experiencing leaks in your EBV actuator, this is your solution. It's ideal for those prioritizing OEM quality and a straightforward repair. What people say. It fits well and seems to be working well in conjunction with the Garrett non-ebb exhaust outlet housing. Made by the OEM manufacturer, works as designed. Fit late 2007.3 with GTP38 turbo, fit the exhaust pipes and intake pipes very well. Number 3. Ford 7.3L Powerstroke Turbo Pedestal. Enhance your Ford Powerstroke's performance with this direct bolt-on turbo pedestal. It's designed for a seamless fit and improved efficiency. This pedestal is specifically engineered for 1999.5 to 2003 Ford 7.3L Powerstroke engines. Enjoy a hassle-free installation process. It's constructed from high-quality aluminum alloy and iron, ensuring superior resistance to wear and tear, even under extreme temperatures. This upgrade eliminates compressor surge and delivers faster turbo spool-up for enhanced responsiveness and power. Feel the difference. Everything you need is included: pedestal, exhaust outlet cover plate, hardware, and O-rings. Installation is straightforward and hassle-free. We stand behind our product. Enjoy a full 1-year warranty for worry-free performance. Contact us with any questions. What we like. It offers a direct bolt-on design for a hassle-free upgrade and features a faster spool-up time for improved performance. If you value a reliable product with a solid warranty, this is a great choice. It's perfect for those who want peace of mind with their purchase. What people say. I want Med to get rid of the exhaust back pressure valve and this fit the bill. It came with all parts needed to return my 7.3 to the road. Fit like a glove quality product. The casting on this product is horrible. I'm going to have to do a lot of grinding and smoothing of the edges just to get a leak-proof seal. Yes, you get what you pay for. Number 2. GXP 7.3L Powerstroke Kit. Upgrade your Ford Powerstroke with this kit. It's designed for a seamless fit and improved performance. This kit includes a NO and EBPV Pedestal, enhancing your engine's efficiency. Enjoy smoother exhaust flow and better power delivery. It's engineered to work perfectly with your existing exhaust housing. Installation is straightforward and hassle-free. Specifically designed for the 1999.5 to 2003 Ford 7.3L Powerstroke diesel. It's a perfect match for your truck. The bellowed design offers superior flexibility and durability. It's built to withstand the rigors of daily driving. Experience enhanced performance and reliability. Get ready to hit the road with confidence. What we like. This kit includes a bellowed-up pipe for improved exhaust flow and a NO and EBPV pedestal for enhanced performance. If you are looking for a complete, high-quality solution, this is the best option. It's perfect for those who want a comprehensive upgrade for their system. What people say. Quality was good, everything lined up perfectly. 2 weeks and a few hundred miles, everything checks out. Went on my 7.3 excursion almost a year ago and have not had any problems. It's a good overall product that came with grade 8.8 hardware for installation. All pieces fit just right where they were supposed to. Number 1. EBPV Delete Turbo for 7.3L Powerstroke. Upgrade your 1999.5 to 2003 Ford 7.3L Powerstroke diesel engine with this direct-fit turbo pedestal and exhaust housing. It's designed for enhanced performance and a custom look. This kit is a direct replacement, ensuring a seamless installation process. No modifications are needed, making it easy to upgrade your truck's power. Experience a noticeable improvement in your engine's performance. It's built to deliver increased power and efficiency. Give your engine a unique look with this custom upgrade. It's a great way to personalize your truck and stand out from the crowd. This turbo pedestal and housing are designed to unleash the full potential of your 7.3L Powerstroke. Enjoy improved performance and a more satisfying driving experience. It's designed for easy installation, saving you time and effort. Get back on the road quickly and enjoy the benefits of this upgrade. What we like. It provides a direct fit upgrade for improved performance and is designed for easy installation. If you are looking for a simple yet effective performance upgrade, this is the right choice. It's ideal for those who want a straightforward way to boost their engine's capabilities. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.